Now, here's a book review I have been dying to do, okay? The Millionaire Real Estate Agent, Gary Keller. I don't even know where to, well, I'm going to start with this, okay? I was a Keller Williams agent for 7 years, and I essentially came over and started my career with Keller Williams because everyone said Gary Keller and Keller Williams have the best training for new agents. And the first thing they do is they give you the Millionaire Real Estate Agent to read. And as soon as I read it, I thought, oh my God, this is genius. And I still think this is genius. I didn't leave Keller Williams because I had a problem with Gary. I didn't leave Keller Williams because I thought he's not a genius or this isn't great stuff. You're happy at Keller Williams, you should stay there. I just moved to EXP because I could get paid more money doing the same thing. You know, there's a lot of advantages. Basically, I get more money for doing the same thing. I don't know how else to say it. If I can do the same work for the same kind of people at the same level of integrity and get paid more, I'll do it. But that's not what I want to talk about. I want to talk about the Millionaire Real Estate Agent and why I think it's so dynamite and why we give it to all our new agents on the team. So I started in my entrepreneurial journey as a young man. My father was an entrepreneur, started his own business. So I've always been in starting businesses. And I love starting businesses. And when I got into real estate, I just thought this is an amazing thing because I get to be entrepreneurial again, but I don't need to reinvent the wheel. And the beauty of the book is this is the wheel. This is how you invent the wheel. Now, there's a million ways to lead gen and there's a million ways to run your business. There's a world of creativity available for each and every agent inside there creating their own business. But there really is, lead gen is sort of a foundational issue. And all the foundational issues, all the foundational stuff that needs to get done is described in detail in there in a systematic way that takes you from nothing to what? A millionaire real estate agent. It is step-by-step instructions. You do not need to reinvent the wheel. You do not need to wonder how I build a business. You don't need to wonder how am I going to get to $1 million a year. It's there. It's laid out. You follow those steps and there's a world of creativity. So it's not do this and don't do that and do this and don't do that. It's not like that. It's not pedantic. It's not you have to do it this way. This is the way things work. And if you operate inside the way things work with integrity, you will win. And if you operate with no integrity inside the way things work, you won't. It's that simple. And the book lays out everything from beginning to end on what it takes to have your business go from 0 to $1 million. I can't recommend a book more than I recommend The Millionaire Real Estate Agent. I just think it's a slice of heaven. You know, everybody needs to read it because it lays out perfectly how to get from here to there, including recruiting, including building a team, including building your own broker, everything. It's really just, it's a remarkable contribution, and I can't thank Gary enough for giving it to us all. So I highly recommend that whatever brokerage you're in, that you start, and if you have already started, you look to see what's missing between you and $1 million because it's in there. All right, Aaron, I'd love to hear what you're reading. Tell me what you're reading. Tell me what you love. Aaron Hendon with Christine & Company over at eXp Realty. Talk to you soon.